I've been praying all this season,
building my faith up in strength, moving from grace to grace, from high to high, spreading His word out in hope. And I'll be doing this for a while, trusting the plans for my life. Cause where I'm from, the rest in God still covers me. Yeah, this year I was nothing and broken, but He put songs in my eyes, fire in my bones, Holy Ghost running in my head. I was getting weary, but your love made me rise again.
And He said, if you see the light,